In this 2020 RedMax module, we will be looking at the new hedge trimmers. In this module, we will look at what the key improvements that were made on the new RedMax hedge trimmers. The first improvement was on the handling. It's the lowest weight hedge trimmer in its class, and the balance is around the center axis. The next thing is the improved easy starting, low force, and low pull speed on these new hedge trimmers. The improved gearbox components to a 2,000-hour gearbox. Improved air filtration system, 2-stage hinge large filter area, and also low noise with less disturbance on the quieter units that we have come out with. Also, a low engine body, getting the machine closer to the end user for better control and less arm strain. Also, the introduction of R models or coarse cutting models to our lineup. The cutting capacity on the R models improved compared to the previous range. The ability to rotate your gear manually. When blades get stuck due to resin or cutting into wire, the ability to rotate those gears to get them unstuck. Also, an improvement on grease refill, a grease nipple for easy service. One key feature that we just discussed on our new hedge trimmers is the front and rear handle are arranged so that the center of gravity can get very close to the axis that is crossing the center of loop handle and the rear handle grip. What that does provide is a lighter weight unit and less arm strain on the end user as they're utilizing these hedge trimmers. This is our FY 2020 hedge trimmer lineup. We start off with the CHTZ 60 24-inch double-sided hedge trimmer. This is a hedge trimmer we have not had in our lineup before, as we went from a CHT 220 to a CHTZ 2460. This price point of $399.99 and the features that this unit has will be a great addition to our fleet eligible hedge trimmers this year. The next hedge trimmer is our CHTZ 600 24-inch double-sided unit, comparable to our CHTZ 2460. The next unit is a CHTZ 600R. As we discussed in the previous slide, this will be a coarse cutting hedge trimmer, 24-inch double-sided unit. The CHTZ 750R will be a 30-inch double-sided rough cut or coarse cut unit that we're adding to our lineup. The last hedge trimmer that we'll have is the HTZ 750, a 30-inch single-sided cut that we'll have that will be comparable to our HTZ 2460 in our previous lineup. These 5 units will make a big impact in your market today. The first unit we'll look at is the CHTZ 60, a 21.7 cc, 0.8 horsepower, 24-inch double-sided blades coming in at a very light weight of 11.5 pounds, 4,400 cuts per minute, a 2-year warranty at a price point of $399.99. The CHTZ 60 will be eligible for our industry-leading fleet program and does have a Stratocharge engine. In this slide, we'll do a walk around on the CHTZ 60 and explain the features and benefits this product has. We'll start at the rear with a 21.7 cc Stratocharge engine, clean burning 2-stroke engine, an intuitive choke switch, a 5-position swivel handle, which allows you to put that handle into 5 different positions as you're trimming the hedges, a 2,000-hour gearbox, 4,400 cuts per minute, 24-inch double-sided blades, a 60-degree blade angle, 1.1-inch teeth opening, which will describe a difference between that and the coarse models here in just a minute, and a heavy-duty 2-stage air filtration system. The CHTZ 600 is comparable to our CHTZ 2460. It's a 21.7 cc Stratocharge engine, 0.8 horsepower, 24-inch double-sided blades at a weight of 11 pounds and 4,400 cuts per minute with a 2-year warranty at a price point of $529. It is eligible for our RedMax fleet program as well as having a Stratocharge engine. In this slide, we'll do a walk around of the CHTZ 600 and explain the features and benefits the product has. We'll start with the 21.7 cc Stratocharge engine, Same intuitive choke switch, a 3-position swivel handle. The biggest addition to this compared to the CHTZ60 is the anti-vibe system. So isolating the users where the rear handle and the loop handle are from the actual engine to where you're not feeling that vibration as you're trimming for maybe 4 to 5 hours at a time. 2,000 hour gearbox, 4,400 cuts per minute, 24-inch double-sided blades, 60-degree blade angle, 1.1-inch teeth opening, and a heavy-duty 2-stage air filtration system. The CHTZ 600, with the addition of the anti-vibe system, makes it a great hedge trimmer. The next hedge trimmer we'll look at is the CHTZ 600R. R is going to be the signification for the coarse cut models that are new to our lineup this year. In the next slide, we'll go through what the difference is and the benefits of an R model compared to a standard model. As we look at the specifications, it's a 21.7 cc Stratocharge engine, 0.8 horsepower, 24-inch double-sided blades at a weight of 11.7 pounds. Cuts per minute are a little bit lower than the 600, and we'll go through the differences in the next slide at 3,200 cuts per minute, with a 2-year warranty and a price point of $529.99. The 600R is fleet eligible and does have the Stratocharge engine technology. In this slide, we'll be walking through the CHTZ 600R features and benefits that the product has, but also going through the differences between an R model and a non-R model. We'll start out first with the 21.7 cc Stratocharge engine, clean burning 2-stroke engine, an intuitive choke switch, a 3-position swivel handle, so being able to rotate that handle in multiple different directions to make sure you can get exactly where you need to with the hedge trimmer, anti-vibe, which we talked about a little bit on the previous 600 model, but isolation of the rear handle and the loop handle from the engine to help operator fatigue, a 2,000 hour gearbox. The first difference that we see in an R model compared to a non-R model is in the cuts per minute. At 3,200 cuts per minute, there's a gear reduction within that gearbox to slow those cuts per minute down just a little bit because they're going to be going through a little bit rougher cut or rougher saplings items that you're going through with this hedge trimmer. 24-inch double-sided blades. And then the next two things that we're going to talk about are also differences between an R and a non-R model. 45-degree blade angle and a 1.2-inch teeth opening. So a different angle on the blade itself and a larger opening allow it to cut through those larger, rougher items. And we finalize it up with a 2-stage air filtration system, heavy duty, to protect that engine from debris and dirt ingestion. The next hedge trimmer we'll look at is a CHTZ 750R. Once again, it's a coarse cut model that we just discussed on the 600R series. We'll run through the specifications. A 21.7 cc Stratocharge engine, 0.8 horsepower, 30-inch double-sided blades at a weight of 12.1 pounds, 3,200 cuts per minute, a 2-year warranty at a price point of $559. The 750R is fleet eligible and once again has our Stratocharge engine technology. In this slide, we'll do the walk around of a CHTZ 750R and explain the features and benefits the product has. We'll start with the 21.7 cc Stratocharge engine, an intuitive choke switch, 3-position swivel handle, that key anti-vibe feature that we spoke on the past 2 models, a 2,000 hour gearbox. Once again, the gear reduction within that gearbox to get at 3,200 cuts per minute, 30-inch double-sided blades. As we talked about the R models, a 45-degree blade angle and a 1.2-inch teeth opening allows it to go through the rougher items than your standard hedges, and a heavy-duty 2-stage air filtration system. The next hedge trimmer we'll look at is the HTZ 750. This would be comparable to our current lineup of an HTZ 2460. We'll run through the specs real quick. 21.7 cc Stratocharge engine, 0.8 horsepower, 30-inch single-sided blades at a weight of 11.2 pounds, 4,400 cuts per minute, a 2-year commercial warranty at a price point of $559. The HTZ 750 is fleet eligible and does contain our Stratocharge engine technology. In this slide, we'll do a walk around on the HTZ750 and explain the features and benefits this product has. We'll start with the 21.7 cc Stratocharge engine, clean burning 2-stroke engine, an intuitive choke switch, a 2,000 hour gearbox, 4,400 cuts per minute, 30-inch single-sided blades, a 60-degree blade angle, 1.1-inch teeth opening, and a heavy-duty 2-stage air filtration system. This module was brought to you by Engine Warehouse in partnership with RedMax. Thank you for watching.